it's Shenthun with YourColorStyle.com, and in this video I'm going to quickly share with you the 3 different ways that you can make money with your color style. The first way is to become an affiliate, and you can earn 15 to 30% commissions on sales that you refer. You can purchase products at a discount and sell them for full retail. Or you can get paid up to $300 to do a professional color analysis. So let me dive a little bit deeper into the different programs that we offer that help you do these 3 different things. The first is the basic affiliate program. And this is free to join. Anyone can sign up as an affiliate. When you share your affiliate link, whether through your blog, to friends, to your clients, and they use that link to come to the site, you will earn 15% commissions on all sales from that referral and future sales as well. You have lifetime commissions. So it's a really easy way to get started, especially if you already have a business or a blog set up or a social media channel. You can share content, share the affiliate link, and earn commissions. Really easy, really simple and straightforward. Then we have the Your Color Biz, and this is our mid-level business program, and it's designed really for anyone who loves color, is really passionate about color analysis, wants to help people, but doesn't really want to do the full investment of a certification, that wants to earn some extra money or grow and build a business. With the Your Color Style Business program, you earn 25% commissions on sales that you refer, and that includes lifetime commissions. So if a person comes back again and is a repeat customer, you earn commissions on all repeat sales from that particular customer. You have the ability to purchase physical products at a 25% discount. The basic affiliate is not able to do that, but you would be able to do that as part of a business program member. You can purchase the products at a discount. And this is really handy, especially if you are presenting to a group of people and you want to have the product on hand and then be able to sell for full retail so that you can earn that difference. The fee to become part of this program is $197. It gives you access to step-by-step training, worksheets, done for you videos, slides that you can use, and scripts on how to run your presentations and your workshops. And so it's a very turnkey business, very easy to use, and there's a lot of more details out on the site, okay, that you can check that out. And then the last business model is the certification program. So if you are someone that really wants to do a professional color analysis, you can become a certified Your Color Style coach. Coaches earn 30% commissions on all their sales and lifetime commissions. They can purchase products at a 30% discount and offer those at full retail to their customers. The fee to study and become certified as a Your Color Style coach is $1,297. That gives you access to all the training, the assignments, access to me, as well as mentoring and assistance with your clients long term. So it's a really in-depth program, and it's really designed for those who want to get paid to do color analysis. So the link to all 3 business models and programs are in the description below this video. So if you're interested whether in the basic affiliate, the business program, or the certification program, those are 3 different ways that you can make money with your color style, and the link is in the description for you that you can go straight there to get all of the details and sign up.